Is SteelSeries Sonar not working? Try 4 quick fixes to restore audio fast. Step 1. Close and fully restart the Sonar app, then reopen it. Step 2. Update your Windows or motherboard audio drivers to the latest version. Use Device Manager or your OEM site to download and install the latest drivers. Step 3. Uninstall and reinstall SteelSeries GG and Sonar to clear corrupt files. Step 4. Check audio routing and Windows services. Ensure Sonar and audio services are running. Open Windows sound settings and confirm Sonar is set as the default output device. If services are stopped, restart Windows Audio, Audio Endpoint Builder and Sonar services now. As a fallback, roll back problematic drivers or reinstall Sonar using administrator rights. Run a playback test inside Sonar and play system audio to verify sound returns. Quick recap: restart Sonar, update drivers, reinstall GG, check routing and services. If that doesn't fix it, comment below and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.